Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम इरीना
my name is Amir.
and welcome to our channel.
Life with Russian Wife. So friends, अभी हम कहीं जा रहे हैं मार्केट प्लेस में घूमने और आज हमने डिसाइड करा है कि इरीना will drive on the Indian roads.
I already haven't driven for centuries. I'm afraid that I already lost all the skills of driving, and to be honest, it's a little bit scared because in India people are not driving according to the rules, and I already have that perception that Indian roads are dangerous for driving. To be honest.
Yes. और मैं तो भाई भुगत चुका हूँ इरीना के साथ like how she react on the roads.
I have no idea how I will react because dangerous roads are really dangerous. It's not even safe for me to drive.
Okay, are you ready to drive?
Kind of.
Okay, then I'll give you the keys.
All right, so let's start the car.
Okay. So Ireena is driving finally on Indian roads.
Yes. And it's already hectic because here, except just vehicles, cows are also on the road, which is totally unexpected. Like in Delhi, which cows are on the roads in Delhi? Seriously? As if I went to some farmhouse or to the village. And people hardly give the way, you know. You have to honk so much that people will be giving the way to you.
अरे गाड़ी stop गाड़ी.
Car is stop?
No, this car is stopping.
Yes, I see, but that is no sense. You see? No sense.
So all possible,
That's
impossible.
just- But this is what you tell me. I cannot even see anything in front. Ты, блядь, сука! Bastard bitch, блядь! This is what you tell me. How he is driving, huh?
So भाई इंडिया में इस
No,
टाइप के
like,
लोग बहुत
why
हैं.
to slow down? There is no turn, no red light. Why to slow down? Behind him there is so many cars. Seriously. Like this type of people are making me angry, you know. Why to do that? Why you cannot normally drive on the roads? ऊजस.
So दोस्तों आपने देख ही लिया जब भी इरीना ड्राइव करती है रोड पे she always abuse because
No, I'm sorry. I'm not an abuser, okay? I do not abuse. I'm just scolding those who are not driving well.
हाँ उन्हीं लोगों के लिए जो those who are not following the rules.
Yes, that's true. Oh, that is like, it's tensions, you know, to drive on Indian roads. It's real tension
हर जगह से हैं from everywhere people are coming.
from everywhere. At least show the indicator. Let me know that you are doing something. Let me know where you are going. Left, right, straight. Right?
But फिर भी your driving is very good.
Thank you. I'm trying to drive carefully, but sometimes it's not possible. You see, now again I will stuck because this auto also stopped there. Nada же. And humans are also everywhere. I'm sorry, but they're everywhere. And how do I know where I can go because traffic light is broken?
And jumping on the roads.
Nada же. This is like unexpected thing. You think that you can pass easily, but even traffic lights are not working. No traffic police, no traffic light. So it's like you drive on your own risk. See what is happening?
सब तरफ से लोग आते हुए.
Oh,
And traffic police is enjoying.
Where is, I haven't seen any.
Left side पे traffic police enjoying.
Well done. Okay. Oh, very beautiful car. One of my favorites. Oh, friends, I hope one day I will get Audi.
Yes, you will
Audi
get.
is my favorite. See what he is doing from. Wow, a princess of the road is lying just in the middle. Well done. Well done. It's like.
It's like आपको इंडिया में बड़ा केयरफुली ड्राइव करना है कि
No
anywhere.
words. It's called no words. Only expressions. And
Yeah.
this, you see, why he did it? Why did he jump? Is he a suicider? There is nowhere to pass because these barricades are stopping people from jumping to the roads. Why did he jump? Really?
भाई मुझे भी कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता कि लोग रॉन्ग साइड्स पे क्यों आते हैं.
Yes, not wrong sides. They're coming from everywhere. Yes, I believe that soon I will handle the steering wheel to my husband only.
Okay.
Right? Because it is complete tensions. Oof.
So अभी तक we are very successful in driving, but
Yes, it feels like we are going to stuck in big traffic.
देख सकते हैं कितना लंबा जाम लगा हुआ है.
Yes.
दिल्ली में तो आम बात है इतना जाम तो डेली डेली का.
That is horrible because you do not want to stuck for 1 hour in the traffic.
So Irina, are you tired of driving?
I'm not tired physically, I'm tired mentally, you know, because you have to look here and there and you should be careful that no one will scratch your car. That is really a big issue here. So we're
Yeah.
going straight from here, right?
Yes.
Keeping left.
Keeping left.
Okay, see how they are driving, you want to pass and they do not let you. I know that those who already having bikes and all, you will say, oh, there is nothing difficult. But in reality, it is difficult. See? It is very difficult because you have to mentally, you know, get adjusted to all the situation, how people are driving.
और बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लोज ड्राइव करते हैं.
Very close, very close.
Half
and you
inch
do not know
distance.
how to pass even from here.
1 inch distance.
Yes. See? What they are dancing, what he is dancing, what he wants, you tell me. Oh, see? He could have touched over there.
Make right and then overcross.
No, nada, I feel I will never come out of here.
Because there are many bus stops.
Okay, I overtook all. Not overtook, I have managed to pass. Давай уже, вон отсюда.
Horror, right? Horror.
This bus, it's like idiot bus. I do not know, I have no even words for this bus,
It's
seriously.
it's private bus, not government bus.
Horrible.
And I don't think so कि इनके पास लाइसेंस भी है बस चलाने का.
Yes, I also do not know.
And see person stopped on the road.
He is like, friends, it's easy to sit in non-driver seat and to comment, but when you are sitting as a driver seat, then it is very difficult to comment also because only bad words are coming out from your mouth, from my mouth at least.
फ्रेंड्स आज मैं बड़ा रिलैक्स हूँ बिकॉज आज रीना ड्राइव कर रही है और मैं नॉन ड्राइविंग सीट पे बैठा हूँ तो मैं आराम से दिल्ली का व्यू का मज़ा ले सकता हूँ जो मुझे लग रहा था कि ड्राइविंग सीट पे आप नहीं ले पाते हैं बिकॉज सारा कंसंट्रेशन आपका ड्राइविंग पे ही रहता है.
हाँ.
कौन कहाँ से आ रहा है, किसी ने आपको मारा तो नहीं. सो इसलिए आज अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं इधर उधर एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ और इरीना इज टेकिंग ऑल द टेंशन.
Why? What you showing me, huh? What? क्या? Friends, finally we reached. It is really shocking thing, and now as we are going for the wedding and all, we have so many things to finish today, and I have to apply mehendi. So on the way back, finally I'm not driving because my hands will be all covered in mehendi designs.
So okay, I will drive you back safely.
Yes, so let's check whether we'll find in this market some mehendi wala or not. Guys, I'm extremely happy because we found finally mehendi wala, and I'm going to apply mehendi here, and maybe even on the legs.
Okay, that's good. We got lucky in Sarojini Nagar.
Yes, so let's check because we haven't come for opposite side of the market, and you know I found so big experience over here. It's different market. The big Sarojini market, it's one type of market, and opposite you can find everything for Indian weddings, like different type of decorations, everything. So wish me luck. I hope my mehendi will turn out really beautiful.
Okay. और ये इरीना के हाथ में मेहंदी लगती हुई शादी एक्सपीरियंस.
Very good experience. Tomorrow we will experience it very well. I hope it will be dark like on Indian girls because my skin is like turning yellow only. I want dark color. Brown.
ठीक है, डार्क कलर भी हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे.
Maybe, I hope so. This we will know only after the mehendi will dry out.
In India, there is a saying: if mehendi comes out dark, then you love your husband so much, or your husband loves you so much.
Oh, great. In Vietnam, then it
Then-
means you do not love me.
Yeah.
That's sad. So I will be like a bride tomorrow, eh? Like a bride.
Yes. So finally, इरीना की मेहंदी लग चुकी है.
Yay, my hand is done. We do not know yet after this my hand will be removed, then it will be done. And now I am enjoying. I cannot spoil the coconut. I am enjoying the tasty water of coconut. It's really awesome, especially now it's pleasant weather and this is refreshing after having coconut water.
But how was your experience of driving after a long time?
Driving is horrible. I don't think that I will be driving back, especially I have my handy. I do not want to spoil the car. So I will give you to you.
Okay. I will
And
drive.
yes, for everyone who is driving any vehicle, please respect each other on the roads. Be attentive to each other and try to follow the traffic rules because it's really important because it's not you responsible for only your life, but for lives and for well-being of others. That's why once we are driving, we are also trying to be very careful.
ओके, दैट्स सो नाइस वर्ड्स ऑफ यू। सो फ्रेंड, इसी के साथ हम आज का वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं व्लॉग, और मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में। और इस वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिएगा, और प्लीज़ शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा।
And friends, see you very soon. We love you so much.
ओके, टिल देन सी यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग।
Bye bye.
बाय बाय।